nangwa no wakubene kintu kumwise kintu aketsira bokuba nomwebembezi and life moves on ihanga rugumari no busingi. We need a peaceful Kagadi. I don't want to hear anything. Ijo tukatiri yo security meeting na hurama gombo ragamwe againemo okwabana between LC3s and councillors. Can we stop that? Abasingire, I want to congratulate you all. Congratulations. Mukuri cyaka ki akaruru, and we should thank God. Abona borhanga yatwire na Bible nekigamba ngo bwebembezi burgari yoha rhanga o ahiro bwebembezi simire rhanga no wara overe maybe otakumhagira this time you support him or her because ogwen warhanga gizirata atwire rere myaka 5 kerakwe iwo wanonda kugarike konka sofa yitwa bitwina barabiremo nubo turukwija kugenda nabo nicyo nabagerera ngo wakubeye nakamyomyo ombuhereza bwa RDC nsasire imwa barabiro mwena ninza koragana nimba. I'm here to work with you. I'm here to work with you. I'm here to listen to you so that Kagadi agenda mesh. So I need a peaceful Kagadi. Another issue is we should avoid politics of identity. Those politics, we need to coexist peacefully. Ebe bintu mbirije mu bya politics zanyu and ekyo kugira ngo Kagadi yete ebi mbirije Kagadi can be a better place for everybody to live in. In Bunyoro sub-region as we talk now, Kagadi is one of the biggest that we have here. Niyo ine sub-counties nyingi, niyo ino kuhereza bwamani. So let's not say Kagadi ino kweri, no. We can coexist peacefully. Oboryo mukimnyankore, oboryo muki, oboriki twena turi abanya Uganda, twena turi aba Africa, fena turi we belong to NRM. NRM oye. Museveni oye. So we need to stay together. We need to love one another. Let's love one another. Obo muntu aliyata ubariyata mukunde. Na Bible netugamba ngo mukunde bagezi banyu koko mukugira muta mweni wota kunda mugenzi wawe noza gukora ki. Love one another. Respect one another. Muhane bitinisa abantu mwe nabeshengereza. Omuntu areke kwemerera akagamba hari mugenzi wo kashangu nyencha kareto. Tomorrow we don't know what can happen. We are all here talking. Tomorrow tokumanya. Muhurire chukube we are here. Actually we are all crying. Turion turraha bomshejo. But we didn't know. Let's love one another. God loved us. Ranga katfera tubera turiombero byokuzarwa kwa okufa kwa Yesu akatfera yatfera ngo tukire kibi. When koko bano shoma Bible einahe kugira ngo omuntu mbikari hinduka yareke byo kushisha ari yakiza amagira ki tukire bi ebi byo kwanga nebi byakarure ebi byaki akarura kahwire ekyo chapter mureke tugirigiwe. We come back and settle down. Mubirigeho niyo mshangwe mweriyo nejo mu office nabagambiro onede irimo mukure nimbeta mu muri yo byabishara disi natwetera hati ware mshango yo ner politics but I told the people akarura kahwire I don't want to see cases of politics. Mshangwe mwe ebereri ya police ngihire nabanyente mshango yakarura mugirigeho abantu bakaricyo omagombo ragabo bakoremera umo yabo orwanjurigire rita rugiwe mwene munkwatse RDC nyowe ndiyo muntu aza mundebe munyetegereza ndiyo muntu ki I'm alone. I'm just one person. Omuntu omwe tokubasa kuboye tore waba bantu oyinimwe bona bakakuganginga against and you manage tokubasa kumara. You think kubasa kumara. But niza kumaraho nanyi nimwe. Now, obutereza karuru nyowe nindamba gambire strategy yanjye. My strategy as an RDC kurwana soboro at the household level kurengwa abantu barugombuki mureke turwana soboro makagabantu. Abo kuba we have the authority yo kukikora. tuze omu magombora tushomese abantu, tutayayira abantu omu maka gaabo, tubetegereze abantu tuburebe ngu twabashomesa baruga omu bworo. Abantu obworo nibaburugamu konka tibashomesibwe. Twine PDM, abantu bakabahereza sente za PDM, mwine okugenda mubashwizuni mubarebe abantu abo bariyo, projects ziriyo, bine kubya bitariyo bikaba bita informers, mukoragane neitu abatakatungire nabo tubahereze esente z'emyoga. We have the money. Twine sente z'abatsigazi, twine sente z'abakazi, twine sente, government ine sente, but we need to plan and work together so that we remove poverty at the household level. Ekyo nikyo ndikwenda. Obwire obunkiri Kagadi turebe ngu twarwanisa obworo bwarugaho. Ekyo nekintu kikuru munonga. Then another issue, I also want to encourage you, all flag bearers, I encourage you to, okay, the issue, work on service, but also robe for your people. Murobi ingira abantu banyu ababahereze ki? Akaruru robe. Robe through the council, robe through the district chairperson, robe through the RDC. Don't also sit in your sub-counties mukagira obusinge bwingi abantu aba bateiremu obwesigwa bakabura kureba kantu kona nakagaruka omugomborera yabo. Robe mutemwa amani. Konga koro kuba notamu amani noboine nokushaba Ruhanga owahigura akakuteraho muki omukono ebintu bimwe byone ebe bituriyo ntukora bayida woni byenda Ruhanga noguma nomushaba oreba yakora ekyore yakora kiriya. So ebe bintu bimwe nimwenda Ruhanga. Kabiri to the last. This is the message of the president. President Najirangu, sub-county leadership, the LC3s and the district councillors, mobilize your communities to embrace government worth. That's what I was talking about. Mobilize communities. Abantu tubashomesibwe, abantu tubakumanya ekiri kugenda omu maisho. When you go for weddings, talk to people. When you go for burials, talk to people. Call barazas. At times I always ask myself, when you're from your home to a sub-county, how many homes have you passed? Ezoro kurabaho okagira eki wabashomesa. Talk, keep on talking. That's why you see the gospel of God spreading all over the world. I have evangelists coming out to preach. So we need to preach the gospel of wealth. Okushomesa obugeiga numbumanya. So we need to fight and eliminate poverty at a household level. It's very, very important. Then lastly, I need to encourage you to talk and guide the wananchi on issues of land and family. There are many issues that are coming. Enshonga zamaka, enshonga zamataka. These things keep on coming. But we need to guide them. But how do you guide them? You guide them when you're also transparent and with integrity. I don't know, but I would say what I always see, that even some of us, we work with even those people who come with wananchi mwite mshango y'abantu mube yaho sente murijaha busente bw'abantu. Use the little resources that you have. Esente nkezo ine oba n'omusharo gw'okutasya oba n'entasya yawe yeka, plan for that one, sustaining than picking money from wananchi. So embarrassing. That's why I want to tell you, as your RDC, I need to work with people of integrity. integrity. The incoming chairperson, the incoming district councillors, I need integrity of the highest level. When you see somebody with low integrity, that is a problem. Egombora neba yaza habunkenke. Obunkenke. Embu yokuronde sente zawe oriyo no yenda obusente bw'abantu abari kwijo mu office yawe. Which mwena hati no yoreke example. Integrity is very important as you start your journey of work. Nicho kurebera abantu abamwe bakabehamu bwesige abo kubeva bene bakora bikabitagizire bitashikire. I have a feeling omuntu okushanga ngo bakwihamu bwesige mbe byo kubokozire bitubishikire bagira ngo hati katukondi konka hariho nababa ari kuremwa bakaremwa nk'uko abantu bagira bata baremwa. Integrity is important. Abantu mukureba bamanye what is happening. At times we do things in our offices, but people are seeing. For you may think nobody is there, but God is seeing. At a given period of time, they will come and reveal that nanka beito gwariati obuhereza bwe. So ninyenda muhabura abantu muri jyo mbintu byesente. Many of you always ask for allowances. Allowances. Which allowances are allowance. Travels in the guy. When RDC kakwera kweto kamjangu RDC allowance. RDC shi nazi hai. RDC kanonjwecherwa president konka. So ebyo twino kubireka nkabebembezi. As we mobilize the communities, we should also mobilize ourselves. Neto twekora muki umurumo obeno basa kugira hati kumbe etsire kamba gambire cyabebembezi nyompeze tinkongera yo bingi mbere ntine sente konka mbere nyino obusente bwanjye buke bunabikire bwe kikazi hati nagira so nagira ngwatiristi embu yo kubeta mukabura mizi mukabura kasoda mukabura humwashitama nyo nanye kankoze sizange because turuko bwereza nyo president kayanye sigira kampo bwa RDC two bantu mwe ekyo nicyo kikubasa gonkoze seke abo kuba nantabeine tinyino kunkwija kukorera abantu ba district. So nimbashaba twetero mu kifuba nkabantu bakuru nkabakama bamaka turebe ngu twataho enkoragana nungi munonga erukuza kukorera abantu tureke kuba dividinga tukabatamwe nshonge ezibateni abantu ahera